What is going on, guys? We are back out here for another one. Little solo mission for me. We got a little bit of a cold front last night. Been a north wind for the past 24 hours. It's raining. There's supposed to be some snow throughout Minnesota today. Trying to see if the birds get a little silly. So I'm headed up north about an hour. Got a bunch of mallard decoys with me. It's going to be wet. It's going to be a little chilly, but I'm hoping we're going to get after them, get into them pretty good. Just trying to kill 4 greenheads. So we'll see what we can do. We're going to catch you in a bit. We're feeling up right now. We're going to hit the road. One, two. How do you do? One, two. How do you do? Let's go, baby. 2 mallards down. Let's go. Let's go. Absolutely working it. Shaking. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, so I was just getting back in the boat, turned around to hear ducks absolutely eating up the decoys. It's rainy, it's low light. I honestly couldn't tell if it was a hen or a drake. I don't want to shoot over. Kind of let him put down, seen it was a drake, let him get up and rolled him. So we need one more. I'm gonna go grab him just so we know we're good, and then we can shoot a hen or a drake. And they're silly today, boys. Holy smokes. That's badass. I'm gonna go get this one real quick. Right there. Let's go. Show you guys a little bit of the spread. Probably 2 dozen floaters. Literally nothing crazy. I got out here, it was nasty. Wind was ripping, it was raining super hard. And I was like, well, you know, I loaded up the boat this morning and I said, I don't want to pick all these up. So we just got a little feed line along these reeds, kind of bumped it out a little bit, had a north wind, which was right at my back. 2 spinners and a little squirter out front. And them ducks were getting in here. Absolute beautiful morning out here. Already killed my limit. Got a nice one. Chilling in the decoys. The mallards are hot today. Oh, here's one. Alrighty, guys, that's a wrap. We're 45 minutes in. I got my limit of mallards, 2 hens, 2 drakes, and 1 bonus ringer. So I'm getting on with my day. It's cold, it's windy, it's raining, and I could sit longer, but I don't need to kill 1 duck that bad. So we're gonna get this picked up, get out of here. Birds worked absolutely beautiful today. That was an absolute blast. Little solo mission complete. Just exactly how I wanted them to do it. Haven't seen a ton of, I've seen a few big groups today, a lot of 10, 20 packs, but the birds that have been hitting the trees, a little bit of calling, and they've been doing it dirty every single time. So Can't ask for much better than that. Just got to come sit in some nasty weather. So we're gonna get this picked up and get you a little boat ride in. We'll catch you guys later. Just about to pick up the decoys. Little hooded merg action. We're gonna let him be. We don't need to eat him. I'm good on the fish sticks. We'll let him slide. All right, guys, we're all packed up, ready to roll. We're gonna get you a little GoPro footage on the ride in and go get some breakfast. We'll catch you then. Choppers, holy smokes. All right, we're gonna have to hammer down and get on top of these white caps. White caps are not my friend. Here we go. We made it in. Some rollers off the main lake. Get it on the trailer. We need some food in us. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, that's a wrap. We got the boat loaded up. I'm sure you saw that on the GoPro coming in. We hit main lake and there are some rollers out there. I don't know if you can see it from here, but we were getting wet. It was a nasty one this morning, but they did it nasty too, so I can't ask for much more. That was badass. Little solo grind, loving it. So we're gonna get home, get some breakfast. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll keep killing them.